Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video, you'll see us do a job. We refer to it THK. That is actually the business or whatever. We did it through PK Construction in Tillsonburg, Ontario. We ended up getting the full mechanical, plumbing, and the heating side of it. Throughout this video, you'll see it from start to finish. We did the rainwater leaders underground below the concrete first. We excavated that, dug it all up, laid our pipe. We started at the concrete foundation wall where we transitioned through, where we tied into civil eventually. I believe that started at 12 inch, then we went 12, 10, and then 8 inch. 8 inch went all the way down to the end of the building, where it picked up 8-inch feed. We ran over to the existing to tie in 2 existing rainwater leaders, and then we had the very third rainwater leader in the addition we put in. It was 6-inch. The 3 posts that we came up, we ran 6-inch rainwater leaders up to there. You can see it slightly in the. You can see it slightly in the videos. Where the gray rainwater leader comes down. We insulated 10 feet down from the roof, down on those rainwater leaders. Once all that work was all done, concrete got done, then we came in there and we started doing ventilation. We did two intake fans, two intake louvers, 2 intake fans. Ran those in. They came off a CO system that we installed. And then we also had a bypass manual switch, and we had a thermostat that also was tied into a way where if it hit 90 degrees Fahrenheit in that building, it would then trip that all off and turn the fans on. So they were both air conditioning, space conditioning, I guess, and also fresh air. So we got all those in, and then we did 5 tube heaters. I think we did 50s down each end wall, and then we did 3 60s along the long portion of the building. So, and you'll see that we also had to get gas line from the last edition into the new edition that we were doing. That was up on the roof, so we just came in off the old edition. So the old edition, they ran the 10-pound gas line and ran it around the perimeter of the building and then just poked through the roof to each heater. I like it a little bit better doing everything inside. So yeah, we just came over into the new edition, came through, had a roof going, roofed in, and then ran everything through the inside there, down to each heater. We came to the back wall, teed it, went both ways. Other than that, I mean, everything went pretty well as planned. No surprise on that one. It was a fun one. That was our... we had to bring in another company in Tillsonburg Plumbing. Brought them in. They use us for all their hot water heaters in town residentially. So, I don't mind giving back to, companies that support us. So we had them come in just as a plumber on staff to get the rainwater leaders done. There was no other real plumbing per se in that job. There was no cold water lines. There was no sewer lines. But yeah, just brought them in to, give us a hand with the rainwater leaders. I was there doing the trenching, and then I supplied a labor on our side. And Tillsonburg Plumbing or Logan's Plumbing, whatever you want to call it, they basically just supplied us labor as a licensed plumber. So yeah, other than that, that was a nice fun one. That was I think that was our first one into plumbing, doing that anyways. So we did one later in the year last year. It was one of the retirement communities in town. They put a a little renovation on their community center. We did that one as well, but this one was our first like plumbing job, part of our mechanical scope. Hopefully, in the next couple of years, we can get a plumbing division going here. I mean, we got the sheet metal division covered, we got the electrical division covered, we got gas fitting covered, and we got refrigeration covered here. So, coming along, but yeah. Anyways, enjoy the footage here. It was all drone footage, so there's no real noise to this, but we'll make sure there's something to listen to through this rest of this video at least. And I'll come back in on the end of this video and close it out. All right. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video there that we put together for you. Filming this job, didn't intend to put something together for you guys, but we had enough footage, so I thought we'd try to get something put together from last year. And since we just started this, pulling from some old footage, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you liked it, please like the video, subscribe, and let's get this channel off the ground here and share it around to anybody you might know that might enjoy some HVAC work and some construction in general. There's nothing we don't get into here, that's for sure. Definitely open-minded. So anyways, like, subscribe, follow us, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok there. And you can keep up to current on those ones anyways, and hopefully YouTube will follow everything behind and make sure we keep getting lots of footage for you guys. Alrighty.